Okay, so the sunlight is gonna go down real quick, so I have to be just quick about this, and I am, of course, filming this on my phone because my camera is not charged. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. आज की वीडियो है and the next few videos are gonna be beauty related, skincare related actually, which is a topic that I absolutely love and I actually want to focus on that because winter times where especially like you start really taking care of your skin or especially like just worrying about it क्योंकि winters में obviously आपको ज़्यादा आपकी skin बहुत ज़्यादा dry हो जाती है, so you kind of start thinking about skincare more than you usually do in the summers, especially concerns change जाते हैं since मतलब ज़्यादातर लोगों की स्किन फिर ड्राई होने लग जाती है एंड फ्लेकी होने लग जाती है. So I'm gonna kind of do reviews on products that I've been loving. So yeah, this is the first one. So आज का product is something that I have been using for a long time and it is my favorite, but for some reason like it's kind of disappeared from the market. I don't know why, but I still want to review it because I love it and I wanna tell you my thoughts and the ingredients and how it is. So yeah, so आज का product है MCaffine का caffeine face cream. Wait, it's called Uplift Trance Caffeine Face Cream with argan oil and vitamin E. It is called a face energizer. And अगर तुम देखोगे sides में भी, I have like, and I'll just open it. I have like almost used it up. मतलब sides में बच गया अब. I love this product so much and I don't know why I can't find it anywhere. MCaffine like is a really good brand. Yeah, I've got the word. Yeah, MCaffine is a really nice brand and especially this, like I remember I ordered this when MCaffine like just launched on Nykaa and I wanted to try it out, so मैंने ये मंगाया था and my first impressions on this was like this is kind of luxurious. So first I will go through the ingredients that they have and the benefits of the ingredients and what it is meant to do, and then I will give you my final thoughts. So I'll just read off the ingredients list here. इसमें सबसे पहले है vitamin E, which is very impressive, which also tells me that it is kind of like a luxurious product because having the first ingredient as vitamin E is nice. Also, if a first ingredient has like glycerin or maybe like some like shea butter, that means it's really nice. So yeah, I'm just gonna read it out first. So the ingredients are vitamin E, argan oil, caffeine, licorice extract, calendula extract, seaweed, glycerin, cream base and aqua. So aqua इसमें सबसे last है. And like I like the list of ingredients a lot. सबसे पहले मेन चीज़ की बात करेंगे जो कंपनी जिसके ऊपर बेस्ड है, caffeine. Caffeine is actually a pretty impressive product to have in your skincare and I'll tell you the reasons why. Basically caffeine जैसे हम जब coffee पीते हैं या फिर even tea, like anything that has caffeine in it, it energizes you. So like that, when you apply this on your skin is supposed to get energized. It tightens your skin. Then you have vitamin E. If you haven't heard already, vitamin E is like for your skin and it is very healthy. Like it gives you a lot of health benefits for your skin and it is an antioxidant. Then you have argan oil. A lot of people use argan oil for their hair and it is also available in a lot of skincare products because it is highly moisturizing. Duh. When you apply argan oil on your skin, like a product which has argan oil on it, it's very supple and it's anti-aging. It's very like moisturizing. Then you have licorice extract, which I don't know if you've ever used it in your skin, but licorice extract is like really nice for your skincare. Licorice extract actually आपके skin के लिए भी anti-aging है, but that's not it. It is also very good to get your skin to an even skin tone, ऐसे बोलेंगे. Basically आपके skin को पूरा even बना देता है. It's kind of like a little like a vitamin C, like just a vitamin C serums act karte hain. Like it kind of helps in evening your skin tone. It has calendula also, which is also very moisturizing. Basically, all the ingredients are supposed to be like something that's very moisturizing for your skin, and as soon as you apply it, you feel the moisture like going back on your skin. Also, this cream, like specifically, like when I also apply it, it stimulates your blood flow. Ingredients like caffeine, obviously, then seaweed and calendula also do that trick. So now are my thoughts on the product. What I have to say is the cream is really thick. Like it's very thick, so if you like to like moisturize quite heavily and if your skin is quite dry, I think this product is for you. Like as you see, like sabse pehla ingredient is vitamin E, so a lot of moisturizing ingredients, so which is why it is quite thick. So if you're a person who likes a thick cream, then I think this is the one for you. Like I really do not enjoy like moisturizers that are like super thin. So when I first started applying this, I was kind of overwhelmed, but I kind of like had to figure out my own way to use it. I usually put this in the night because raat ko obviously you can't keep on moisturizing your skin, and 8 hours you need that moisture, honey, you do. So yeah, this is really good for that. This is my review on the product. It is amazing and I would recommend it if you like thick creams, if your skin can bear it. Just because I'm stating out these ingredients does not mean that you should like use it. If you're a person who's like really used to like thin textured creams, and if your skin cannot bear it, please don't buy it, because obviously आपको अपनी skin की खुद सुननी पड़ेगी if you usually use creams that are thick in texture and feel. Then I would give this a try, but honestly I can't find it anywhere. I've been trying to search for it, लेकिन मुझे कहीं नहीं मिल रहा. So if you guys can find it anywhere, do let me know. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I will see you guys next time, yeah, with more reviews. If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Comment down below which kind of products do you think I would like. If you have used this cream, and if you want to recommend me some other product, then also let me know. I might buy it later on and then try that out too. And yeah, last of all, subscribe to this channel, help me grow, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.